Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Monday, October 15th, 2012. News this morning, U.S. retail sales rose in September as Americans bought more cars and gasoline, while a gauge of consumer spending pointed to stronger than expected economic growth in the third quarter. Not too shabby. Set the markets northbound. If you take a look here at the Dow, up 95 points, up 0.72%, the S&P up 0.8%, the Nasdaq up 0.66%, the Russell's up 0.63%, banks up only 0.37%, so a little laggy. VIX down more than 5%, down below 16, we're at 15.27. And commodities off by a lot. Gold off by 1%. Silver off by almost 2.5%. Crude oil break even, and you have the U.S. dollar in positive territory, even in the face of this big, nice tailwind that we got in the markets today. So, with that, we also have the utility index up 0.6%, which is the defensive sector. So that's up pretty strong here for the markets to be so bullish. And take a look here at the S&P daily. As we talked about in the weekend edition video, hope you had a chance to watch that, there's a high probability of a bounce taking place today. The reason we had that high probability bounce is because of this support level. See this orange line coming up as a trend line. We come up to this support level, so we had these 2 points drawn in a straight line, that straight line coming up, intersecting, basically actually running parallel with the 50-day simple moving average. So we had a bounce off the 50-day simple moving average and a main trend line. With that, we get a reversal pattern. Now here's a quiz for you. Down in the comments box, tell me what type of reversal pattern that we have with these two candlesticks together. We do have resistance finding at the EMAs, and then we have the falling 20-day simple moving average that can also act as resistance. The question is, will we start to pinch between the 20 and the 50-day moving average? If so, look for a significant pop one direction or the other. But overall, the markets are broken because of this main trend line, this blue one coming higher. We've already violated that. So even if we were to come back up, that would give us a triple top trend reversal pattern. Now the big question is this. Do we have the makings of a bull flag? And this is what we talked about inside the weekend edition video. If we bring this higher, it's not so pretty, but there we are. Those two red lines, we could be in the midst making a bull flag, which could be quite bullish. If you look here at a weekly chart, the weekly chart, we're trying to stay above this main trend line on a weekly chart. Resistance, resistance. We actually broke down below that trend line here. If you can't see this, blow this whole video up to full size. There's a little icon down here in your bottom right hand corner for most of you. But then we bounced right back, trying to heal itself, getting back above that trend line, which is pretty important. But here's the problem. The week is just starting. Chances are pretty good, gang. It's not going to last for very long. I see probably the 1450 being a resistance point and us pulling right back down and finding an area lower. Matter of fact, it wouldn't surprise me if we actually close for the week below 1424. Remember this video. Remember me saying that. Alright, coming over here, let's take a look at Apple. Apple had a nice little bounce off the 100-day moving average. Now we have a hammer, so we have a hammer down here, an extended low. Could be a chance to buy up some Apple right now. So Apple could be a buy, especially with Apple being so, I mean, it's undervalued by quite a bit. And so you're talking about a 0.67 or so peg ratio for you guys. But Google, also a hammer, hammering out at 740. So another buying opportunity perhaps here on Google. And Facebook, I don't even know why I keep looking at it. It's just a dog, but there it is, just doing nothing. GLD, let's take a look at that. GLD Gold took a big hit today. Let's take a look at the weekly charts here. It's just doing a bull pullback, but it's happening on really shallow volumes. Nice to see. We could have a buying opportunity here in the next week or two, but it's too early right now to be buying gold. So anyway, I'm putting some nice touches. I'm updating the mentorship program, and we actually are doing one online this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. If you'd like to know more about that, just hit us up at mentor@groktrade.com. Take care. Share us with a friend. Some say to know where a person's heart is, all you have to do is look at where he spends his time after work. Others say to know a person's real passion, you simply have to see where he spends his money. Whatever is important to a person, you can bet that they will invest in their passion. Trading, and trading well, is a deep passion for some. Those who are successful traders spend time, ample amounts of time, studying the markets and learning the secrets of savvy trading. If trading well is important to you, which I'm sure it is, then trading education is of the utmost importance. If this be true, how much money have you invested in your trading education this year? After all, this measures your seriousness in becoming the best trader that you can be. Consider making Grok Trade Mentoring your investment for formalized trading education this year. For more information, email us at mentor@groktrade.com.